Okay, Penny, how many hundreds do you have? Take from 1 through 5.
7,
Penny is more than 5.
2,
1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, or 5.
1, 2,
Hmm?
1, 2, 3,
You want 2
4.
of these?
4.
4. Okay. 3, 4. Now, how many of these do you want?
2.
2. 1, so 2, 2. 2 tens. Okay, how many ones do you want? These are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
8, 9. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's line it up. We're gonna move this video out. Line that up. Now, so how much do we have right now? How many? 425. So we're gonna try to keep the same value. 425. You can only change the picture. Only trade them out. They can go. Tens can move to the one, or you can have 100 move to the tens. Which one do you want to move? Do you want the hundred?
Hundreds to that.
Hundreds to tens. Okay, just one, okay? That's a lot. So how many tens? If I break this 100 up, you get 10 more. So one of these breaks up to 10 of these. So now I only have, how many hundreds do I have?
3.
3. And how many tens do I have now? You want to count? 1,
2,
3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
8,
9,
5,
10,
11,
12. Now, how many ones do I have over here, Penny? Just count.
1, 2,
2,
3,
4,
5.
Did the number down here change or did it stay the same?
Stay the same.
That's right. What changed? Just the
Pictures.
pictures. Good job. You just decomposed for mommy. You happy?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Yeah. Yeah, you didn't really help me.